Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Design. So we have another one of these amazing 6th gen 4Runners in the shop in the underground color. This is the TRD Sport, and I have to tell you that the painted fender flares, the hood scoop, I like it a lot better. We've had a lot of good feedback with this over the weekend. We took it to a show and kind of showed it off, and we had the off-road and the Sport, and a lot more people said they like the painted fender flares on it, and they really like the color. And I think the color just looks rich. It's super clean. All the colors tie in really well together. It's just a great look all around. And then the black 703 methods on it look great. So again, I know these trucks are new. I know people are on the internet, and I know people are trying to figure out what fits on these and what doesn't fit. And so here on this one, we've got a set of 703s and a 17 by 8.5 with a plus 35, and then a Toyo Open Country AT3 and a 35 12.5 by 17. And we're running this tire on there in a C-load because I always talk about these trucks do not need an E-load tire, and if you want the truck to ride like crap, put an E-load on it. We did find that between 31 and 33 is the sweet spot for tire pressure on these. Again, we've removed the safety mount where it bolts in the back here. We push the liner forward here. We are going to trim the clips down where it used to fasten down here at the front, because it is just lightly rubbing on the tire knobbies here on the side. We've got our no kick-out rock sliders. These are our MIG welded DOM with top plates at 0 degree. And just how much I talk about how nice our welds are, you can see that here in the sliders. Our top plates, our signature there in the middle. Here our super ultra low profile roof rack. And here again, the designs in the side of it match the fenders. The design in it here matches the air vents inside the truck. So it kind of all really ties in nicely to kind of look like it was OEM on that. And then here, the visor in the front, just nice and clean, tight to the roof here. Just a small little gap here in the corners, but with the wind going up over the top, it doesn't have any wind noise at all. Being so tight on the side, with our brackets being sucked down and the side pieces being down so tight, we get the wind to go by the vehicle, keeps it nice and clean and quiet. The other thing about this is our signature bottle opener in the back here, a nice little stainless steel piece, just that little touch of detail right there. And overall, I have to say that this truck is just probably, to me, I think this is the best color. I think not only is this the best color in the truck, but I know they had the underground in the last gen, and it really just shines that much better as far as the way it looks and design is in this, the new 6th gen. A lot of people said to me, they're like, oh man, it looks so much better in that. And it looks so much better with it lifted. It just looks so much better in person. We had so many people come and look at it this weekend, and I just, you know, it does. It looks a lot better when you see it in person, and it looks a lot better when it's all built out. If you guys have any questions, you need anything, please comment below. If you're not subscribed to our channel, get subscribed. We're gonna have a lot more of the 6th gen stuff.